Okay, I'm just here to show you how to change the motherboard on the HPC480 heat press. So to start off with, you want to take off the top cover of this, so you might want to get some tweezers just to sort of help you get started. Then you have 4 screws just underneath. I've removed a couple already. Now these screws actually hold the motherboard in place. And then you have the 4 screws just around like the main sort of box, and there's 2 obviously on the other side here. So I've removed a couple already again. Just get this one. Come out from the other angle. Okay. Okay, now we slide this off. You can see the motherboard loose, the screws. Moved earlier, just carefully in here. So as you can see, you've got these 4 connections just around here. So what you might want to do, if you want to take a picture before you remove them all, and then you can use that as a reference. Or you can just do it like for like, so if you've got the spare motherboard sort of ready, just automatically sort of plug them straight in. And that's it. Yeah. And then obviously you get your spare one, and then just obviously just get it, clipping them back in. So they're all secure. Again, what you might want to do, not like I've done here where I've left the cover on, because that's where obviously where the screen goes, so you can use that as a reference. And then you'd obviously put it back on, pop it back on, line up the screws there, and then you can follow up with fitting the screws just around the side. And that should all work, and that's how you change the motherboard for the HPC480.